Hey you guys, I found this on OfferUp for $30 and I thought it'd be the perfect piece to try a homemade chalk paint on in a really cool like turquoise color. I started off with a really good scuff sanding and hammered in some nails that were sticking up. I then gave it a really good wipe down to get all the dust off and used the plaster of Paris to fill in any scuff marks or dents. I don't think it worked that well. I should have just used regular old wood fill, but maybe my mixture was off and that's why the plaster didn't get as hard as it should have.
Oh, you're gonna fill the cracks with wood fill?
Yes.
Oh.
Now the fun part. I used a 1/3 cup water, a 1/3 cup plaster of Paris, and 1 cup of paint to make my chalk paint. The consistency turned out really nice with really good coverage. I also upgraded the drawer pulls. Jordan's helping me take the old ones off because the screws were stripped and I was having a hard time getting them out. I was actually just stripping them even more. After the first coat dried, I gave it a light sanding and then did a second coat. Did a second coat. That looks really good. Actually, I don't think I am going to sand it. I think I'm just going to wax it. What?
Well, I bet you are.
Mom, I'm gonna walk with Destiny down to there. I think Destiny has it raining tacos.
She's watching It's Raining Tacos?
No, I think Destiny has raining tacos on her Nintendo. It's a really cool game, but I bet you don't understand it.
Oh, I've just never heard of it.
I know. It's weird.
I bet you just don't understand it.
Dad, run high five.
Whoa.
But you won't be able to ride Nintendo. I'll be able to ride all.
Here's the final product. So I sold this for $165. It took a couple months because I had it listed for like $265 because I knew I'd get a lowball offer. And the lady who bought it was so psyched. She told me that if I refinish any nightstands to match, she'd love to buy them.